Welcome guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this channel I'm also telling about factors of perception. Okay, so now let's start. First at all, open a Chrome and now search here about factors of perception. Okay, so now in this video I'm also explain factors. Okay, so I'm also telling about factors of perception in this video. Okay, once One's attitude, motivations, expectations, behavior, and interest are some of the factors affecting perception. Okay, what are the three factors of perception? There are many factors that may influence the perception of the perceiver. The three major factors include motivational state, emotional state, and experience. Okay, so now in this video, what is perception process? Now I'm also factors affecting perception and overview psychology. Okay, so now let's start factors affecting perception. Okay, when we can define perception and factors affecting perception as perception being a cognitive process that is used to understand and interpret information that we get from our senses, and certain factors affect perception such as emotion, motivation, culture, and expectations. Have you ever wondered why you walk into a room and seemingly missing certain objects or forget seeing something at all in the room? Have you ever wondered why, when you are hungry, food looks so much more appetizing? Humans have limited capacity for information that they can pay attention to. Psychological factor affect perception. So perception has a biased nature. When perceiving stimuli, people will focus on certain objects whilst ignoring others, known as perceptual set. Perception sets are the tendency of a humans to notice and ignore certain aspects of a stimulus determined by a state of readiness. Okay, so different factors can affect our perception of thinking. How a human interprets stimuli phenomena is based on factors such as external factors, psychological factors. Okay, so as we discussed, perception and factors affecting on the stimulus factor affecting perception. Various stimulus factors can affect perception. These include intensity. Okay, so the more intense something is, the more likely it is that it will be perceived. For example, people are more likely to perceive a loud noise rather than a quiet background noise. When driving in a car, there are constant changes in visual stimuli, so what we see perceive constantly changes. Magnitude: the larger the size of an object, the more likely it is to be seen perceived. Repetition increases our sensitivity to the stimuli. This means that we became more aware of stimuli because it has been received frequently. Okay, psychological factors affecting perception. Psychological factors that have been found to affect perception. Okay, motivation: we are more likely to perceive and see objects or aspects of objects that are of interest to us. Going to the shop when hungry can lead you to buy more food than you normally would. Okay, emotion: it is still debated how emotion affects perception. Generally it is theorized the heightened states and emotions such as stress and anxiety can influence how much and what we perceive. Sad or happy feelings can affect how stimuli are interrupted. When sad, we may notice events or stimulus that are more upsetting. Okay, so we have a tendency bias to see things of how we expect to see them. Okay, so social norms, rules, beliefs, and standards set by the society Okay, so guys, I hope you also like this video. Inshallah, we will meet again in next video, third part, laws of perception. Okay, so please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Asad Soliaangi Ali. Okay, inshallah, we will meet again in next video, part 3. Allah Hafiz.